Welcome to Auto. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix when 9051 Riot Vanguard internal error in Valorant and League of Legends.
Fix 1. Simple restart and reinstallation. Step 1. Restart your PC or device. Step 2. Try launching the game again, preferably use the Riot client to start. Step 3. If error persists, uninstall Riot Vanguard. Step 4. Reinstall Vanguard by launching the Riot client and proceeding through its prompt or repair process. Fix 2. Full cleanup and manual service. Configuration. Step 1. Open Task Manager, Details tab. End all processes related to Riot Vanguard Riot Client, Valorant or League of Legends. Step 2. Navigate to Control Panel, uninstall a program, and uninstall Riot Vanguard. Step 3. Launch command prompt as administrator, then execute. EISE, delete VG, C. Delete VGSC, delete VG. Step 4. Manually delete the Vanguard. Step 5. Open the Riot client and let it update or reinstall Vanguard. Step 6. Restart your computer, ensure it's a full reboot, not shutdown. Step 7. Press Windows, R. Type Services, MSE, then locate the VGC service. Set Startup. Type to automatic start the service if it isn't running already. Step 8. Launch the game again to check if the issue is resolved. Fix 3. Run as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Step 1. Close the game and Riot client completely. Step 2. Navigate to the League or Valorant. Shortcut, right-click. Properties. Step 3. Target. At the end of the target field, add, disable, auto-launch. Step 4. Compatibility tab. Check disable full screen optimizations. Check run this program as administrator. Step 5. Apply changes and attempt to launch again. Fix 4. OS upgrade and TPM2. 0 enablement. Step 1. If you're on an older OS, consider upgrading to Windows 11. Ensure TPM2. 0 is enabled in your BIOS. Step 2. Perform a clean OS, install, or at least verify secure boot and TPM settings are correctly configured. Step 3. After the upgrade, reinstall both Vanguard and the Riot client freshly.